Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Optimizer in your computer in a very simple way. Optimize is an open source Windows tweaker that makes your PC faster and more private. So how you can simply download it? It's very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Optimizer and then click enter. Then we're going to get the GitHub link over here. So if you click on that, then if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out the Optimizer 16.7 exe. So if you click on that, there will be a download option. Click on download and then click on this folder icon. And here is the Optimizer. So if you click on it 2 times and simply minimize all the background tab, and there will be a permission, click yes and simply minimize all the background tab. And there you have to select your preferable language. So I selected English and then click enter. And now they're the checking for requirements, fetching fed, inspecting hardware, and here is this Optimizer is rightly opened. And from here you can simply tweaker your PC. You can simply put it into faster and a more private. You can simply see. So I will going to make another video, a dedicated video about it. If you want it, then you can simply comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.